In this video, when looking for the best portable car vacuums, there are a few key considerations to keep in mind that can assist you in making the best choice for your vehicle. There are options for car vacuums that are corded as well as cordless, and both have their own set of benefits and drawbacks. Even though a cordless vacuum allows you more mobility, there are many products available to choose cordless car vacuum, each with different characteristics, benefits, and price to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, wrote tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cordless car vacuum from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. I am always ready to keep you happy. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So let's go. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless. Multi-surface use removes hair, dirt, and debris from carpets, car interiors, furniture, and high-traffic areas. Lightweight and portable, easy to carry and maneuver, even in tight spaces. Ergonomic design on board extension means you won't need to bend over as often. Rotating slim nozzle rotates 180 to fit into tight spaces at different angles. Pull-out crevice tool accesses hard-to-reach areas like between couch cushions and on top of shelves. Flip-up brush adds an extra layer of versatility for dusting and vacuuming upholstery. Cyclonic action spins dust and debris away from the filter, supplying consistently strong suction power. Easy View Dirt Bowl Translucent. Bagless dirt bowl empties easily for convenient debris disposal without having to touch the dirt. Washable dirt bowl and filter can be cleaned right in the sink. Cordless cleaning powered by a lithium-ion battery. This handheld vacuum is ideal for larger jobs requiring quick cleanup. Note, the instruction manual does reference mounting brackets and screws, but it is for a different. Number 2. BACKLIFE Handheld Vacuum Car Vacuum Cleaner. Cordless and portable. This handheld vacuum is cord-free and hassle-free, which gives you more convenience to your cleaning work. The lightweight and cordless design of this hand vac helps free your movement to everywhere for cleaning your stairs, kitchen, car, or hard-to-reach corners. Deep cleaning. This small vacuum cleaner cordless can help you to do all-around cleaning with powerful motor and long battery life. The portable vacuum cleaner cleans dust, crumbs, pet hair from carpets, kitchen, living room, and offices with outstanding performance. Professional attachments. This handheld cordless vacuum is equipped with 2 different attachments to better meet your cleaning needs. The brush tool can loosen hair and dust which is stuck in objects for better cleaning. The crevice nozzle tool can be used to clean sofas, crevices, and corners. LED light design. This vacuum handheld features a bright LED light which is helpful for the dark cleaning and corner cleaning. Turn on the LED light to light up the place you need to clean, making the cleaning work easier. This portable vacuum cleaner for home is great for your family. Customer support. If you have any question or problem about BACKLIFE rechargeable handheld vacuum cordless, please contact BACKLIFE customer team. Number 3. BACKLIFE Car Vacuum Cleaner Cordless. Cordless design. This hand vacuum cleaner is cord-free and hassle-free, which can free your movement for cleaning your stairs, kitchen, car, or hard-to-reach corners. The handheld vacuum cleaner is also lightweight and portable for home and car cleaning. Improved HEPA filter. BACKLIFE hand vacuum cleaner features enhanced HEPA filters with premium filter wrap, which is designed to further extend the lifetime and effectively avoid clog of filters while ensuring suction in perfect condition. Exquisite workmanship with notable durability provides you unparalleled user experience. Quick charge. Adopted the latest fast charge technology and the latest generation of rechargeable batteries. This small vacuum can be full charged in 2.5 minutes, 3 hours, and run for about 20 minutes. More highlights. This portable vacuum cleaner comes with a crevice nozzle tool, brush tool to meet different cleaning needs. A built-in LED light is easy to clean dark corners. After sales service. If you have any questions or problems about BACKLIFE, please contact us to get help. Our product has been insured by AIG. Just rest assured that your daily use of this product is properly shielded. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum for Car. Cordless handheld car vacuum. Lightweight hand vacuum for cleaning car floor mats, seats, trunk, dashboard, and more. Clean quickly. Motorized upholstery brush with rotating rubber tines crafted for tidying up dust, crumbs, and other dry debris in car interiors. Long-lasting battery. Rechargeable. Built-in lithium-ion battery keeps cars clean year-round. Low maintenance washable filter and 15 ounces clear bagless dirt bowl for easy cleaning and maintenance. minutes. Vacuum tight spaces crevice tool attachment for cleaning hard to reach places. H12H EPA filter is in good sealing. The H12H EPA filter can filter 99.99% particles when the airflow leaves the portable car vacuum. Prevent dust and other garbage from leaking out to cause secondary cleaning. 30-min runtime and quick charge. BLACK+DECKER small vacuum cleaner runs over 30 minutes, which is longer than other car vacuums. Cordless rechargeable. It is only fully recharged within 3 minutes 4 hours. Cordless and all-around deep cleanups. The BLACK+DECKER cordless vacuums will be your first choice to help you clean everywhere easily without bulky and tangled cords. Our car vacuum cleaner high-power cordless comes with 3 attachments: the brush for carpet dusting, the crevice nozzle for getting into tight corners, and an extension soft hose for hard-to-reach areas. Number 5. Orfeld Handheld Vacuum Rechargeable Hand. Vertical cyclonic suction. This handheld vacuum features vertical cyclonic design and special side air outlet. The 80W powerful motor can achieve up to 8000 POS suction power. Quickly clean your home, car, pet hair, cigarette ashes, etc. Make your daily cleanup much simple. Powerful 2200 mAh battery and 30 mins runtime. Rechargeable hand vacuum is powered by 2200 mAh Japan lithium battery, which can provide 30 minutes runtime with independent battery protection. Handheld vacuum can be quickly charged in 4 hours to meet your daily cleaning needs. Versatile nozzles. Handheld vacuum cordless is equipped versatile professional attachments which can help you do thoroughly cleaning. Rubber brush and soft bristle brush are for pet hair, carpets, keyboards, car, stairs, sofa, etc. The crevice nozzle is for narrow and small corners. The long nozzle is designed for hard-to-reach areas. One cordless hand vacuum can apply for multi-places. Replaceable non-woven filter. Hand vacuum cordless rechargeable features enhanced non-woven HEPA filter for extending the handheld vacuum cleaner's lifetime and effectively avoiding clog of filter. Please wash the filter regularly after use to keep its performance. Large 500 ml dust cup is easy to clean and empty. Satisfy all your daily needs. Lightweight and portable vacuum. Our car vacuum cordless rechargeable weighs only 2 pounds, which is portable to clean car and home. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.